What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. As you might have seen in the last one, we are in Aruba. I'm currently on my way to a bar to go get some dinner and some drinks because it's too nice outside. Okay, so I just pulled up to a restaurant called West Deck and it's right on the water. I mean, look at this, guys. That is amazing. But I'm gonna get going because I am starving. It's almost 6 o'clock now. I just got home from eating an amazing dinner and I think I'm gonna end the evening going for a little dip. Well, that's it for our day one. I'm about to go take a shower and then I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night and we'll see what tomorrow has in store. Good morning, everyone. It is our first full day here in Aruba. I'm on my way to try to go get breakfast at a place called Garden Fresh Cafe, but as I was driving around, I couldn't find it for some reason. I don't know. There was just a lot of stores kind of right next to each other and it was hard to see the names of some of them, but we'll give it a shot. I just had an amazing breakfast. I did a little bit of shopping and now I gotta head back to the Airbnb because I've got to check out in about 30 minutes. So all right, first stop of the day. I just pulled up to the Aruba Aloe Factory and Museum and it looks pretty interesting. So we are done at the factory. I thoroughly enjoyed learning how far aloe vera has come over the last 130 years, but now we are on our way to the butterfly farm. The butterfly farm. When I was looking it up on Google, I thought it was an actual butterfly farm and it costs $19 to get in. That's what I read up on. I get here and it's like a restaurant slash bar with a bunch of like plants and flowers all around it. with some birds and like one butterfly. So I think it was just a restaurant. It wasn't an actual butterfly farm, which is a bummer, but it's okay. I am now kind of at the beach, I guess you could say. I wanted to go to this bar called Coco Loco Bar, and I didn't realize it's right on the beach. So I'm gonna get some clothes to change into. We're gonna go grab some drinks and enjoy a swim as well. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful out. I think this is the bar right here. I'm not sure though. Let's take a look. This is amazing. I'm swimming in Aruba right now. I just spent the last few hours at the beach. I had such an amazing time just hanging out and chilling by myself. And I took a swim and it was just amazing. I don't know. I just enjoyed like sitting at that bar and just looking out at the ocean. It was a good time. Y'all, we just made it to the Airbnb. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna have to show you guys. Take a look at this. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly rinse off, get changed, and then I gotta go pick up a few friends from the airport. They're here! Woo! And we are headed to dinner at Terrazza Italiana. Woo-hoo! We are about to end the night going into the hot tub for a little bit. But that'll be it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.